Changing your payout method on Etsy is a straightforward process that allows you to receive your earnings in a way that suits you best. Follow these steps to update your payout preferences. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Start by signing into your Etsy account using your email and password. Make sure you're accessing the account associated with your shop. Step 2. Access Shop Manager. Once logged in, navigate to the Shop Manager by clicking on the Shop Manager icon located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to your shop's dashboard. Step 3. Go to Finances. In the Shop Manager, look for the Finances option in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access your financial settings, including your payout methods. Step 4. Select Payment Settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your account 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Update your payout method. In the payment settings, you will see your current payout method. Click on the option to change it and follow the prompts to enter your new payout information. Make sure to save your changes before exiting. After completing these steps, your payout method will be updated and you will receive your earnings through the new method you selected. Always double check your information to ensure a smooth transaction process.